Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof. You also get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 13,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.